KineMaster versus LumaFusion. Choosing the right mobile video editor can completely change how you create professional videos without complicated desktop software. Both offer powerful tools but differ in features and usability. KineMaster and LumaFusion are two leading mobile video editors designed for creators on the go. KineMaster offers a versatile, user-friendly interface with layered editing, while LumaFusion focuses on advanced multi-track editing and color correction for more detailed projects. KineMaster is a popular mobile video editor available on both Android and iOS. It provides a multi-layer timeline that supports video, images, text, effects, and handwriting, making it easy to create complex edits on a smartphone or tablet. The app features precise frame-by-frame trimming, instant preview, and a rich asset store with effects, transitions, and music. KineMaster's strengths lie in its intuitive interface and real-time editing capabilities, which suit beginners and intermediate users seeking quick yet polished results. However, its free version includes watermarks and ads which require a subscription to remove, while powerful KineMaster may lack some advanced color grading and audio mixing features compared to professional desktop editors. Ideal users are content creators, social media influencers, and casual editors who want a flexible, accessible app with robust tools on mobile devices. LumaFusion is a premium mobile video editor exclusive to iOS designed for professionals and serious enthusiasts. It offers a multi-track timeline supporting up to 6 video and audio tracks plus additional tracks for titles and effects. The app excels with advanced color correction, keyframing, audio mixing, and support for high-resolution footage up to 4K. LumaFusion integrates seamlessly with iCloud and external storage, enabling efficient media management. Its interface balances complexity and usability, providing powerful tools without overwhelming the user. Limitations include its iOS-only availability and a one-time purchase cost, which may be a barrier for casual users. LumaFusion suits filmmakers, journalists, and video editors who need desktop-level performance on mobile devices. It's ideal for projects requiring detailed edits, precise control over effects, and professional-grade output. KineMaster and LumaFusion both deliver strong mobile editing experiences but cater to different needs. KineMaster's cross-platform support and layered editing make it great for quick content creation and social media videos, especially on Android. Its subscription model can be a downside for some. LumaFusion, with its advanced color grading, multi-track timeline, and professional features, is better suited for in-depth projects on iOS. It offers a one-time purchase model which appeals to users focused on long-term investment. For example, a YouTuber needing fast turnaround and easy effects might prefer KineMaster, while a documentary filmmaker requiring precise color correction and audio control will lean toward LumaFusion. The choice depends on your device, budget, and editing complexity. Choose KineMaster if you want a flexible, user-friendly editor on both Android and iOS, ideal for fast, creative social media videos with layered editing. Opt for LumaFusion if you are an iOS user seeking advanced features like multi-track editing and professional color grading. It's the best mobile choice for serious video editors who demand desktop quality results on the go. Your editing workflow will reach a new level.